Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Have mucus in your chest that won't come up? Phlegm is a type of mucus the body produces in the lungs and lower respiratory tract. It is most noticeable when a person is acutely sick or has a long-standing health condition. Infections, allergies, and smoking can cause excess mucus to build up in the body. In this video, we will tell you about effective ways to get rid of phlegm and mucus. Number 1. Keep the air moist. Dry air irritates the nose and throat, causing more mucus to form as a lubricant. Placing a cool mist humidifier in the bedroom can promote better sleep by keeping the nose clear and preventing a sore throat. Number 2. Keep the head elevated. When the buildup of mucus is particularly bothersome, it may help to sleep propped up on a few pillows or in a reclining chair. Lying flat can increase discomfort because it may feel like mucus is collecting at the back of the throat. A person may also benefit from hypoallergenic pillows when elevated. Number 3. Drink plenty of fluids. The body needs to stay hydrated to keep mucus thin. When a person is sick with a cold, drinking extra fluids can thin mucus and help drain the sinuses. People with seasonal allergies may also find that staying hydrated helps reduce congestion. Number 4. Do not suppress a cough. It may be tempting to use suppressants when experiencing a nagging, phlegm-filled cough. However, coughing is the body's way of keeping secretions out of the lungs and throat. Use cough syrup sparingly, if at all. Number 5. Apply a warm, wet washcloth to the face. A warm, wet washcloth can be a soothing remedy for a pounding sinus headache. Inhaling through a damp cloth is a quick way to return moisture to the nose and throat. The heat will help to relieve pain and pressure. Number 6. Use a saline nasal spray or rinse. A saline spray or irrigator can clear mucus and allergens from the nose and sinuses. Look for sterile sprays containing only sodium chloride, and use sterile or distilled water when rinsing. Number 7. Discreetly get rid of phlegm. When phlegm rises from the lungs into the throat, the body is likely trying to remove it. Spitting it out is healthier than swallowing it. Number 8. Use eucalyptus. Experts have used eucalyptus products for years to subdue trusted source coughs and reduce mucus. People usually apply them directly to the chest. A person can also add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a diffuser or a warm bath to help clear the nose. Number 9. Minimize the use of decongestants. While they dry secretions and can alleviate a runny nose, decongestants may make it harder to get rid of phlegm and mucus. Number 10. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Both substances lead to dehydration if a person consumes them in excess. When mucus and phlegm are an issue, drink plenty of warm, non-caffeinated beverages. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.